Today, I would like to share with you some of the things successful people know better, or they should know better. Number one, they know that they should be aware of themselves. When I talk of being aware of themselves, I mean you should understand who you are and the reason to why you were born and the reason to why you exist. I know so many people are in a situation whereby they see people doing one thing, all doing the other, and they just be willing of following them even without knowing the reason to why they are doing it. But now, as a successful man, you should be able to identify one thing and to follow it with a specific period of time until you achieve it. That means that you should understand the reason to why you are born, the reason to why you exist. And number two, they set specific kind of goals. When I talk a specific kind of goal, I mean that they don't rush on whatever a friend or someone else is doing. For example, you might be having a certain business and your friend is having a different type of business. Therefore, you forget the business you are doing because at that specific period of time, your friend's business is doing better than yours. Successful people, they do not concentrate with what other people's goals are, but they know better the goal which they have set. Successful person can set a goal today and situation becomes so hard in a way that they feel like dropping, but they don't quit easily. They follow it until they see the result of the goal they set. And most of these successful people, they don't fail. Reason because they know what they want in this life. So whenever you are setting up a goal, just know what you are capable of doing and what you are not in a position of doing. You set a viable kind of goal which you know you have analyzed and you are specific. You are not just fighting the bush. You are not just following what other people are saying from the outer part. But you have a goal which you are specific of and you are doing it until you achieve it, despite the disruptions which might occur on your way. Number three, successful people, they only do what makes them happy. When you do what makes you happy, most of the times you don't get even tired of it. I will give an example of a musician. A musician can sing for hours, and even tomorrow this person will be called to sing again, and you will continue singing because the thing is a passion from the inner man. From the inward, this person loves whatever he or she is doing. There is a difference between a passion and something which you are being forced to do. Something which you have a passion in, you definitely love it. You see now, when you love something, you can do it again and again without getting tired. But if you don't love something, you cannot do it again and again. So whatever you choose to do, make sure you love it. You never get tired of doing what you love. So this means that after a span of set period of time, you'll be in a position to achieve your purpose in this life. Successful people, they only change the style or the way, the procedure of doing things, but they don't stop. I mean, successful people, they always continue walking ahead. They don't reach into a place whereby they get tired and give up. They don't give up. Successful people never stops. They never give up. They never get tired. They always stay focused. They move ahead. They don't go back, but they can take the negativity they got from yesterday and they improve it so that they may reach to their major goal in this life. You should not stop. If you are focused, you should move ahead. You should not feel tired. You should not get weary of whatever you are doing. But you should continue doing it and again, despite how many times you fail on it. You should continue doing it again and again, despite how many times people disappoint you on doing it. Sometimes you might fail, but it doesn't mean that is the end. You should continue doing it again and again until you get used of it, because it's a passion, but it's not something you are being enforced to do. In other words, I mean, for example, there are some people who have entangled themselves into some careers in order to please or to achieve things which they heard from their friends. But I'm talking in a perspective that you should entangle yourself into a thing which makes you happy every day, which makes you be great every day, which makes you feel that you are enough to do it. But you should not get into a situation whereby you get bored with whatever in quotes you are doing. You should get into a specific field, not because so much you need the money, or not because other people have get themselves in it. You should get yourself into something which you love, which has a potential to give you an aim, or to give you what you have been looking for, or to something which will make you reach into the target you have been purposing in this life. In other words, whatever you love doing, you strategize. You put some formula down. I mean, you write it down. You don't just talk of it. You don't just share it with friends. But you go ahead and you talk of it, you write it down in a paper, and you focus on it, and you keep doing every day until you achieve it. I can give a live example of a friend. If you have a friend, and this is a friend of yours, and you want this friendship to go for a long period of time, you have to keep an update, or you have to check on your friend. You have to make a call or write a message, and in expectation of return, the communication will be strong even than before. But if you have a friend you don't check on him, you don't talk to him, you don't even communicate, this distance will make you not to be bonded with your friend. And maybe in a span of period of time, you might not be so close because this friend was not so close to you, or you did not give him a value. So whatever you love, you value it. So you have to, I know some people are in different careers and they are setting up some different things on what to do, what to leave, what to put first, what to come last. But this is my advice, that you sit down, you strategize, but even before strategizing on anything, you first consider what you love most. And the last one, successful people, they overcome their fears. If you want to be successful in this world, I know there are so many fears which are all over this world. There are so many challenges which are waiting for you. And we say, as I quote, there is nothing good which will come out if you don't take risk. So successful people, in other words, they are risk takers. You have to take risk if you want to achieve anything in this world. You have to take risk if you want to maneuver in anything in this world. If you want to create difference in this world, you must be a risk taker. It is only the risk takers who become successful in this world. You have to show me someone who has never risked anything in this world, and I will confirm failure to you. In other words, you show me someone has taken a risk in this world, and I will show you success in it. And the greater the level of risk, the greater the achievement, the bigger the success. And the lower, the lesser the risk taking, the lesser the achievement, and the lesser the target. I mean, in other words, when you risk more, you get more. When you risk less, you get less. So note this, that you should do what you love, that you should do what makes you happy, and not what people are talking or speaking about. Another thing is that stay focused. Despite the challenges, stay focused and will achieve what you want in this life. Stay tuned.